Hey Olivia, thanks so much for having me out here, Eddie. Multi-Man Services. I thought I'd introduce myself briefly just before I walk around the house here and talk a little bit about what we can do to help clean up and restore your house safely and effectively with low pressure cleaning soft wash methods. Um, so you can see the algae on the siding there. We're not actually going to use a high pressure washer and blast away at it, but safely and effectively with the proper detergents we can break that down and it'll actually turn color, disappear, and then from there with 8 to 9 gallons a minute we can rinse that off really effectively instead of 3,500 psi. I hope that makes sense. So really the most safe and effective way to get to wash vinyl siding nowadays. And down below, I'm also going to include some solutions on what we can do to help, preserve the life of your roof. It's starting to show the signs of drying out. I'm starting to see some ripple action going on with your shingles, and more or less what that is, it's like nail pops. The nails will start to work their way up over throughout the seasons, and so proper roof maintenance is key to preserve the life of your current roof. And your roof is definitely worth saving. I mean, right now it's kind of on the ugly side with all the streaks and the ripples and stuff, but we've been able to help a lot of our homeowners in the Janesville, Beloit, Madison, Lake Geneva, Rockford area with a product called Roof Max. So after we do a cleaning and a full tune-up, we actually apply an all-natural bio oil uh, it, that replenishes the dried out petrochemical oils that the UV rays dry out in the sun. The UV rays dry out the asphalt, the petrochemical oils in your shingle, and you'll start to lose a lot of granulars and stuff. So I, I'm sure you appreciate your nice white picket fence here. So what I'll do is I'll also include some figures to get that washed up. We won't use any high pressure. With our cleaner, it basically breaks that down to the root source and it kills it. And then after we rinse it away, it's all gone. And that ensures that it's going to stay that way for the longest period of time. Because if you just blast away out with water, you have the potential to break and damage this vinyl because it can get very brittle. But with our cleaner, what it does is it just really kills it off, and then from there we'll rinse it away with low pressure. So a couple spots on your house here I notice on the brick here is that it's a high concentration of algae, more or less just because the way the water runs off, and that's black mold. So we're going to go ahead and treat that, and that'll be gone during the house wash. Normally I charge uh, extra for that, but if you were to go with the premium clean, I'll spend extra time getting that to go away on your chimney. In the low pressure soft wash, in the basic deluxe or premium package, it includes all your siding, soffit, fascia, gutters, window trim, and all of that. The deluxe helps your house stay cleaner longer, and with the extra level of algicide and the wax, and the premium ultimately is going to be really the best value for you because we're going to take care of that chimney for you, brighten up some stuff on your house, and extend the life here. I'll include another separate quote to get your fence and your garage washed up and your roof cleaned, tuned up, and maintained, so that way we can preserve the life of that. So you have a very unique spot where you guys live. Nice traffic here. So we generally like to put yard signs in your yard after we're done. So if you look at the marketing ambassador package, you'll see some discounts that we can give to you. We've structured our company in a way that it's a little bit differently than most bigger companies will market their company, commercials and ads, and well, I can't really afford that, but what I can afford and do is make sure that my clients are super happy with their service, and so happy that they'll be forced to tell their friends and family and neighbors about us, and we get referrals that way, and we actually will discount our service in a way that helps you to help us market our service. So check out that package. You'll see a pretty considerable savings by doing multiple services at once, and that way we can work efficiently while we're on your property, and you can also get that discount and help us with our marketing. Thank you so much. My name is Eddie Carell, owner operator. I do all the work. Sometimes I'll have a helper if I have a big project. like this. But please don't hesitate to give me a call or text me on my cell with any questions you have. Thank you so much.